I didn't even notice that I was recording in a different setting. Anyways, good morning, y'all. Call me to New York and just spend a Sunday with me, you know? As of right now, it's 6:39. I woke up 5 a.m. Mind y'all damn business. I was about to tell y'all too much. But right now, I'm about to go pick up my food from this diner, and then my dad should be coming to get me. So the motherfucking bag is secure. We got the bacon, we got the waffles. I'm not gonna show y'all right now. But then we got the whipped cream. Then we got my hot chocolate. We gotta go add some sugar to that in my house because, babes, I don't know how they made that. They probably put water and not motherfucking milk. I should have told them to put milk, but wasn't really thinking. But yeah, I'm about to be out. My dad's about to pull up, so I gotta run and put some sugar in that motherfucking hot chocolate. Cause he texted me about 15 minutes ago and I ain't even see. Yo, we pulled over right now, and I need to go into the gas station. I want a Minute Maid lemonade. That's all I'm looking for right now. We're 40 minutes away from New York. Okay, so the sleeping is doing something. Greek yogurt. Should I get one? I'm gonna get one and see what it's hitting for. I still want my lemonade. Oh, I'm about to just get me a brisk because it's pissing me off at this point. I don't even got apple juice if I wanted it. Lemonade brisk. Gotcha. They better have Apple Pay or I'm going to snack pants. My butt is numb. That's pretty funny.
Charlemagne the devil?
Yes, donkey today.
Yo, we in the hair store. I will buy. Ooh, I need to get my man some do-rags.
I like the way he leaves my hair, but it doesn't
like residue and stuff like that.
it doesn't, but I feel like the curls are not strong.
Yeah. Got some do-rags for my man and me a bonnet. Let's see what else we can find. I hope it's nothing, because I'm tired of spending money.
There's so much stuff in
I
the
know.
store. It's so
Where do I know you from? Do I know you? No.
Then how do I know your name, Markell?
That's not me. No, it's not. Bookie, if you buy me one of those, I will eat your butt, and I'm not even playing. So, let me stop. But for
that'd be cool. It takes you around to all the bridges. That water looks so rough.
outfit change, Boogie Bud. At Central Park right now. Changed my clothes and everything. Put on a little beanie in the summer, yeah. Ski. They just hot. We outside at Central Park and shit. We with Granny. Look at the pigeon. I will punch this pigeon in the throat. trying to get me. Y'all, it's a black squirrel. It's a black squirrel. I only saw one of them near my house. A black squirrel, a bird. We love a black squirrel. And these birds, and this man is just feeding the birds and we about to sit near him. This is not okay. This is not okay. The plan is not to get anything on my white tee. This is not even my white tee, this is my man.
You like that?
A lot of my life, which makes me sad.
Quality is crazy. Excuse me. Turtle. Look at the turtle. Oh, it's trying to hide. Look at the turtles.
Yeah.
Am I tripping? Or is the airplane just standing there?
Yeah, they take it off.
Just stalling.
It's a job right here. Right here. It's a job.
Yeah, that's a field right
That's
there.
Puerto Rico's island.
What?
Right
Alright,
here.
now it's moving a little bit.
This big building right here, you see with the red top?
It's moving a little
Yeah.
bit.
Part of the jail.
Nah, that's weird. We still at the fucking park, bitch. It's 4:01. My fucking phone died. The fucking lighting is fucking up. I'm hot as hell. Lips about to burn off. Like, this is too much. I still didn't take no pictures. Then my phone died. It was on 2%. It was on 4%. Then I was making this little TikTok video for y'all. Then I was doing a whole bunch of shit. But
It's gonna blow.
I know what I'm doing.
he's annoying.
Yo, Bob, you said we could do a
See, that's the reason why they be asking for me. That's the reason why your little friends be asking for you, bro. You can't be doing that and then posting it. I'm like, damn, your pot's fire than you, son.
My guy got on Nike socks, Nike slides, some
Nike jersey. Yeah.
he's there. Yeah. Like he really is, bro. You did
My
not.
man got a
you didn't
blue
eat.
Scully on in
Yeah.
the summertime. Where they do that at?
It's a ski mask, actually. I might have to slide on
he got
you.
a ski
White tee,
I put you over my
M,
leg.
what?
Whoop you.
American
You
Eagle,
slide.
Lambins. Stop playing with it. Like what?
You can swim. That's the only way you
Not
swim.
really, but like.
I say you ready to slide, then you got a ski mask.
Anyways, we're leaving the park right
You got a
now.
bright ski mask. You ain't gonna get away. Cops gonna be like, oh yeah, you don't know. He had a sky blue ski mask.
just
on.
talking.
Oh, got him. You got him. That's not
He's just
sky blue.
annoying. My camera about to die. This look good.
Stopping at mommy, right?
Bruh, move.
Wow.